Mandy Helmlinger, founder of Richmond Urban Dance. We are a company focusing solely on street style dance. We teach, we train, we perform, and we serve. Let me introduce you to a few people that have been impacted by what we are doing.
And action! My name is Prayer Brown.
And I'm Frank Brown. She was encouraged to have confidence and dance and just be herself.
My name is Kendall. I'm not a super aggressive or competitive person, but if you're dancing to a hip-hop song that's pretty hard, you get to explore a part of yourself that you don't always get to live out. Or a lot of guys are told, we're not allowed to be sensitive and there can be a softer song, and you get to explore that side of masculinity. And I feel like Richmond Urban Dance is saying, we're going to be in the Richmond community and we're going to be dedicated here until we make a difference, until we grow this culture in this community, and they're passionate about it.
I'm Jade.
I'm Sophia. We do a lot of performances around Richmond, and it's really cool to just see new places and get to experience different things, because you normally can't do that at other studios.
I feel like here it's more like everyone's a big family, and I feel like other places it's just a class.
You can't come to practice with your battery half charged. You have to come with a full charge battery, because your body is going to remember everything that you do. And if you come 50% every time, when you perform, you're going to get 50%. You can't just come to practice and say, I'm going to be lazy and expect to go to a performance and kill it, because life doesn't work that way, unfortunately.
My name's Mikel. I've been dancing for about 15 years now. What we do here in Richmond is great, because we take a lot of different age groups and a lot of different demographics, and we put them together, and you have all these different styles of hip-hop doing the same choreography, so everybody has somebody that they can identify with.
We want to bring up a light and a positivity to the voice of hip-hop and in these kids' lives, and let them know that this might be your current situation and your current circumstances, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Let us help you and show you how you can take your hard times and your struggles and what you're in today and turn it out for something good. And they get to bring that energy and take it out on the dance floor, and it's phenomenal.
It takes hard work, to become successful. You can be born naturally with a gift or a talent, but if you don't work it out, it'll never reach its full potential. And so, we really teach the kids that. Our classes are intense. We push them to their max because we want them to be their best. Our most prominent need, to be quite honest, is financial support. We have the skills and we have the means to create something really spectacular in our city. The one thing that we are really missing, however, is funding. You can help us by sponsoring a child or by making a donation on our website, which will help us afford our own studio space, which will be the place in Richmond for everyone to go to take street style dance.